How's it going, everybody? Welcome to the channel Take and Make. I'm glad you're here. In this episode we're gonna get our hands on restoring this beautiful little anvil. I'm not quite sure what mark it is, but it weighs about maybe 60-70 pounds, somewhere in that range. Let's cut off this bolt, and I'm gonna put this anvil in container with vinegar and let it sit for a few days and just wire brush it to reveal its beauty. Let's go ahead and do that. And while our anvil taking vinegar bath, I wanna work on a stand. I got this 12 by 12. That's gonna be just perfect for this anvil. I read online that the best height of the anvil, if you hold your fist like this, your knuckles, they should touch the face of the anvil. This my knuckles here. I'll make a mark, meaning that we have to cut 5 inches of this log. Crazy how much dust just from one cut of 12 by 12. No play at all. Quite surprised. Let's put our anvil one more time and measure one more time. Measure twice, thrice, quadruplize, and then cut. So now we only have to cut 4 1/4. 4 1/4. Yay! That's looking cool. Firewood. I think it will do. Haha, I think so. Now that I'm sure I cut my block properly, let's put this bad boy into vinegar bath. Almost forgot. Together with anvil, we're gonna put in vinegar this galvanized chain I got to wrap around the anvil so it looks badass. Apparently they don't do it only for the look. Chain's supposed to get the vibration of the anvil and make it sound less loud. We'll see about that. But even if it doesn't, I honestly think that chain on anvil is sexy. You know what? I think it is less loud. Ready for vinegar. throw the chain, remove the zinc plating on it. Yeah, most of the anvil is under vinegar, so I don't worry about those two islands sticking up. What we're gonna do is just gonna put this rag on top, and it's gonna cover those parts, and they always gonna be moist in vinegar. Okay, good night, anvil. See you in a couple days. Another thing I have in mind, guys, to minimize vibration from the block to concrete, I have this 1/4 inch thick sheet of rubber. It's armored with nylon. So let's cut a square, nail it to the stump, and see if it's gonna help us. So we're gonna put these angle irons on each corner, like that. 2, 3, 4. Another angle iron strips will go on a perimeter on top. Let's go ahead and strip this paint off. So let's go ahead and cut 4 pieces 25.5 inches long. So we're gonna go ahead and cut 2 12.25 pieces and weld those first. Already starting to look really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pre-cut all 8 of those, and I'm gonna drill a hole in 2 holes in each of them. Let's drill holes in all of them at once. At least let's try. To the drill press! Let's give it a little bit of oil and get going. Yay! That's nice, man. 8 pieces at once. That's what I'm calling efficiency. Right on, guys, we're ready to start fabricating. Check those welds, guys. I think I'm getting better. I mean, I really like it. I'm almost impressed. Now we're ready to install bottom band. This strip goes here, and I think I just gonna put screws and then weld, and then I don't need to hold it. I welded all 4 sides, and we can now take off our strap and flip it right side up. Let's try to weld this one on its side. Okay guys, so I prepped bunch of parts and we're ready to rock and roll. These are all tool holders. I'm gonna spread them apart like this and weld to each side, to 2 sides, here and there. So these plates, they look like that. There's 5 holes in them and it's gonna go like so. So let's get our clamps and screw all 4 plates. Okay guys, all 4 plates installed and it looks sexy. Let's finish our welds. Bzm, 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 bzm. So I welded plates on all 4 sides, and that's how I went. Some of you may say that's an overkill, and I'm not gonna argue, but this is definitely a good practice for me. I already see improvements in my beads. This is really looking nice. There is a bead here on the way, but I don't feel like grinding it. I'll just weld it on angle like that. So 2 larger pieces on sides and 2 smaller ones in between. Capiche? Let's clean a little bit of mill scale and we can weld it up. Okay, I got the other side too. Let's stand it up and check it out. Nice, nice, nice.
Boom. Boom.
That looks awesome. And there's still room for many, many more tools. This is all I got for now. Okay, I think it's about time we burn this block. Well, that looks super cool now. We're gonna give this guy a coat of linseed oil, and that's gonna be it. One last thing I want to do to this stand, guys, is I want to weld these casters to the side of it, and then it's gonna be easier to move it around. Now those welds looking nice, eh? You know why? 'Cause grinders and paint make us the welders we ain't. If you guys interested in supporting this channel, you can go ahead and buy this awesome hoodie. I'll leave you links down in the description. Welding in style. Let's take a look at our anvil in the vinegar. Smells good. Let's check this chain out. Oh yeah, look at that. No more zinc on it. That's gonna look amazing on this anvil. Look at that rust. Nice and loose now. It's been sitting in vinegar for over a week and definitely ready for cleanup. This is water, guys. Check this beauty out. Wow, looks really nice. But we are gonna blacken it with liquid blue. Holy smokes, back to the rust. I should have time-lapsed this. I left it for, I don't know, 25-30 minutes. And it looks like this now. Man, this blackening looks really, really nice. Wow, check this out. Boom. Yeah, baby. Okay guys, so with the help online, I could figure out that this anvil make is Norris with double R, and 0 to 4 I guess means 60 pounds. But anyway, it's time we put this beast on a stand. Alright, let's do a couple hits on it and see how it sounds. Okay guys, I say we fire up the forge, test our anvil and fight. I have this coil spring. We're gonna go ahead and cut a piece, maybe 6 inches long, and we're gonna make a center punch out of it. And that should be a fairly simple project for a beginner blacksmith like I am. Alright guys, so I want to go a little bit advanced and do 4 cuts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, like probably 1/8 deep, something like that. And I made this end square, so I will be able to put my monkey wrench on it and give it a twist. Everything all right, except we have this crack. That's a bummer. I probably shouldn't have put it into snow. I had to normalize it. Well, that's gonna be a lesson for next time. Whatever. Let's throw it back in the forge and quench it in oil. Right on, guys. Our center punch is cool to touch. Let's clean it up a little bit on the wire wheel and we can put it in oven to temper it. Alright guys, center punch is tempered. It has this beautiful shade of bronze color. That twist turned out pretty good. I like it. Okay, let's see if we can center punch a couple holes in this angle iron. Still pretty pointy. Works like it should. These are crazy deep marks. Nice. And yeah, still pretty pointy. Means only one thing, it did harden. Alright guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. I hope that I could keep you entertained and you enjoyed watching this video. I sure enjoyed forging metal on this beautiful anvil and I can't wait to try more stuff. If you liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and consider a subscription to my channel. There's gonna be a lot of interesting content in the future. And don't forget to check out my new merch. That's it for this one and I will see you in next one. Bye now.